everyone, name's Without Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So what's good in the morning, but it's getting colder. That's a cup of coffee. Now I have some of the Ceylon cinnamon. Add that to my coffee. Really tastes like fall. So today I've been looking at, this big kick about tahini, which I don't think is a big kick anymore, but anyway, I decided I wanted to try and make it myself instead of buying it in the store, because it's so easy. So all you need is sesame seeds, and these are already roasted. So the recipes I've been finding was you're supposed to take a cup and you roast them, put them in the pan, you toast them and everything. But mine, I was going to do that. These say the premium roasted white sesame seeds. So, since they are already toasted for me, I can skip that process. But it's 1 cup of sesame seeds. You toast it in, you roast it in your pan right here and get them all toasted. We'll get them warm up. How about that? And then it's 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Some people use grapeseed oil. Some people use olive oil. That's kind of a lot. I don't want nothing that big. I'm going to do a 1/2 cup. And I'll cut back on the oil, because I want to use this for some other things, like my salads and stuff. So, make sure that they don't burn. Just get them, warmed up and everything. And then we're going to put them in our cup. So, we're going to use our Ninja. And we're going to make some of our own tahini, which is good for dips and chips. And they say you can bake with it. So, I'm like, ooh. We can bake with it? Ooh, I'm going to be looking up recipes and everything. So it's like, oh, it's like 60 degrees here. I say about 60, 61. It's not, but the rain's already gone through. So it's like, it's not raining. So come on, cold air. Come on, we want that cold air so that, we can have the snow, because we love snow. So I'm going to put this right in here. Try not to lose any. And what I don't get in there, I can use for my lunch. Alright, we got most of them in there. How about that? Alright, so I need a measuring spoon. And I'm just going to use olive oil. Oh well, I was going to try to get the rest of those in there. And I have avocado oil and I have grapeseed, but I'm just going to use olive oil today. I'm just adding 1 in there at a time so you can see how it goes. Alrighty, here we go. What? I guess it would be helpful to plug it in. Oh goodness, that's good to laugh. Have fun while you're doing things, right? Alrighty. Need more than just one. Let's open this slowly. And that was with a 1/2 cup. So you know, with a cup, you probably need more than that. So we'll just add another one, just to be on the safe side. There we go. Let's put our top back on. No, sesame seed down. Well, that's not working this well with the Ninja. How about that?